Well, this is a very exciting moment because this is my very first unboxing video. This is a box. So now, let's open it. Or first, maybe, I should tell you what's in it. Well, my friend Max from Spain, the owner and writer and author of Max Playing Cards, sent me some decks. I don't even know what decks he sent me, so let's have a look. I should have gotten a better knife. Damn it. Yeah, it's not working. I'm new in this. I don't really know how to do unboxing videos, neither unboxing boxes. So I guess this is how I start. No, wait. There you go. Now this might work. Oh, yes. Yes. This is so much better. Okay. There is a letter. It says, "Dear Andre, I hope you enjoy these decks. It's a pleasure to I don't know how to do unboxing videos. I don't know how to unbox a box. I don't know how to read. Am I qualified enough to do unboxing videos? Let's move on. It's a pleasure to share them with you. Best wishes, Max." It's a lot of plastic. Should I keep this in frame? Should I leave this in frame? Yes. I don't know how this works. Max playingcards.com. These are Max's cards. I know who this is. Oh my goodness. It's Max. These looks very, very cool. So this deck is numbered. It's 1521 out of 2500. It is the Volto edition of Victoria cards by Nikolai. Now I know how people feel when they try to pronounce my last name. Arrow? Nikolai Arrow? It's printed in Europe by NPCC. What else? Gonna do a lot of branding for Max. It's maxplayingcards.com. I don't really do any coin magic or any chip magic or any magic in general. Okay, this is cool. Full moon cards, and they have a lenticular box. It is very cool. Oh, this is what it is. It's like he is changing into a werewolf. So it starts with him being small. I think this is the right angle. And then he becomes a wolf. This is super great. Now look at these babies. So these are from System 6. They're manufactured by the United States Playing Card Company, Erlanger, Kentucky. We'll look into it a little later. Now, let's look at this. So these are also numbered. It says 1009 out of 2500. Hunters of York. Again, by Nikolai Arrow, I hope. Printed in Ukraine by NPCC. The Mistress Edition. Oh, cellophane is nice. It's a thick cellophane. Interesting. Nice embossing. Nice foil. I like. And we have 3 of these. Finally, the cards that look strangely similar. Maybe it's a coincidence. To the chip. Admit 1, Sideshow playing cards. It's a collector's edition. I'll start collecting cards again or something. It says alive, but I would probably need a mirror to see it alive. I realized I didn't show you this up close. See? Did I show you the rest? Did I show you this? I don't even know if this length is good or not. I don't even know if that's gonna focus. I don't know anything about these things. And we have 2 of these. We'll look at these cards in later videos, because this one is already awfully long and it's probably not even interesting. So if you like the video for any strange reason, just like it or put a comment. I just saw someone saying this in the end of a video. Like and subscribe and comment, and I don't know what else they say. Oh, they're also doing giveaways. I'm probably gonna do some giveaways. I like to do giveaways. If you like cards, actually, I think if you like cards, I think my channel is a good channel to follow, because I also like cards. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Also, if you know how to do unboxing videos and you have some advice for me, just comment below and tell me how to do this stuff. Thanks.